tractor. Undersized, of course. It's just got a little 5-foot bush hog on it, but he's itching to go. And I mowed a little bit with the big mower here the other day. Drive shaft seems to be doing good, so we're gonna keep our fingers crossed and see what happens. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, well, we're back for another day. A little repair work today on the loader. The little electric fuel pump that supplies fuel to the injection pump started leaking the other day when I was pushing up the trees down there. First time I got it out, smelled a little bit of diesel fuel and it kind of running rough, and I thought I might have pulled a hose loose, but anyway, I got looking and the pump body itself is leaking fuel around there. So it's just an electric 12-volt pump, low gallons per minute. So I got one. We're going to try to get this off and put it back on there today and see if we can get this unit back running so I can work with it tomorrow. Bring you along for a little bit of it. My apologies for not getting any footage on the fuel pump replacement here. Got diesel fuel all over my hands right off the bat. Sweaty, I've already soaked this shirt, but anyway, didn't miss a whole lot. Pretty much a direct replacement. Clip a couple wires, put a new piece of hose on, bolt the new one on. Everything's good, so the loader's back running like it's supposed to. No more fuel leaks. Still questionable on the clutch there. I can run it with just one side, so it's not a big deal, kind of like I did the other side the other day, but it's coming along. So hopefully we're going to get down here in the bottom tomorrow along some of these headlands where some of the brush is piled up that we left last year across the yellow jackets, and there's one more area that we might try to clear. So still hot and dry here, so we're going to see. Hopefully don't hit any more yellow jackets. Got you a couple clips at the beginning of the video of me and Dad bush hogging with his new tractor, and got the big 14-foot gyro mower back going. So I'm not sure what else will be on this video, but definitely stay tuned. Well, I completely forgot to grab the camera this morning. I came down here and got started, and I just did not want to go back up there and get it, so I missed quite a bit of footage this morning. But this is the southwestern property line. If you guys been with me from the beginning, you see the fence up there that we put up a long time ago with the right-of-way there. So we've been working on this, clearing a few trees out along the fence line, pushing it back probably about 20-25 feet. Down there in the corner, of course, is a brush pile where I was working the other day on another video. But this one might be a little bit of talking here for a few minutes. But here's the first full one of the season. We did hit another nest of yellow jackets. I tell you, it's awful early for them around here compared to when we hit them last year. But I guess it's going to be another season of them. But I think I've got a fix for them this year, possibly a little solution that hopefully they'll take away. But somewhere right in there, you probably can't see them flying around. There's not hundreds of them yet, like a massive nest, but it's somewhere in that mess right there. I reached up there with a loader and pulled it back and got them stirred up. So we'll look later on tonight and see if I can figure out where the hole is. But anyway, I'll see if I can get you some we're gonna do some pole saw work, non-OSHA approved in Oliver bucket with electric pole saw. But my buddy's over there working, pushing a few things up now, so I'll try to get you a little bit more footage. My apologies. Well, we got most everything finished up that I wanted to. We pulled the field back about another 40 feet, about where the truck's sitting there. Maybe 10 feet off the back of the truck was where everything was grown out. So I've got a couple of bigger trees I need to cut down. My saw's messed up, the adjuster broke on it, the adjusting screw. And there's a bunch of bob wire in there, so I can't really go in there and pull that out. But we got everything uplifted. Got a few shots of that. I didn't get anything on the loader of the Oliver today, just wide open trying to get everything accomplished. So hopefully that footage turned out good, but we're getting there. One more step here in the bottomland, so do some more uplifting along the big creek over there, and up there at the headlands, get some of that pushed off and cleared up, and come back down this side, and I believe we'll be good. Okay, everybody, we're gonna wrap this one up and call it good. Not a whole lot on it again. I know I got some footage of me and Dad mowing. I'm glad we got the big mower back going, and Dad's got him a good tractor now. Really appreciate all the comments on that video. Really enjoyed that. We got everything mowed and maintained, caught up, I should say. Attempted to film putting the fuel pump on the loader. That didn't go well. Got diesel fuel all over my hands, and then turned around today, and I just couldn't remember to turn the camera on. I don't know where my mind was. Just go cat go, I guess. But I got a little bit of footage of the farmer style limb trimming there with electric pole saw in the bucket. Shh, don't tell nobody. But we're going after it. You know, I've got a little bit of a kind of a game plan in the back of my mind. We're just going to keep pecking along with these fence lines like I needed to do till we run into yellow jackets, you know, and they run us out again. But we'll really concentrate on getting the fields all situated. You know, most of them are clear. Like I said, just been putting off this piddly Annie stuff for a long time about cleaning the fence lines up. But we're going to get there because I need to turn some soil as soon as possible. Thank you everybody for being here. Really appreciate you following along the journey with me. Thank you again to all the new subscribers that's come over, watching the channel and following along. Thank you to all you guys that's been here with me from the beginning. That means the world to me. I know it's up and down. I say it all the time. It's what I'm doing here. It's reclaiming the family farm, and you know, I'm loving every minute of it. I'm definitely in a better spot now than I was a couple of months ago. So fingers crossed everything keeps going good. So till next time, thank you.